Today I'm going to show you my favorite persimmon dish. It's easy and super delicious. That's next. Hey there, this is Maria and welcome to Spilling the Beans. Today I'm doing a different kind of dish. I'm not doing a Latino dish the way I usually do. Just thought I would put up a dish that I really enjoy making at this time. I've been seeing persimmons all over the place, and they definitely have them in quite a few of these Latino markets where I live, so I thought I would bring you a really cool way of having persimmons. It's unique, it's delicious. I have served it to people and they just love it. So here it is, Balsamic Glazed Persimmons. They are so yummy. I hope you try it out. It's really easy and really delicious. It's especially good for breakfast or brunch or on a salad. It's really good. Try it out. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. Until next time, hasta luego!